Hi everyone and welcome back. Well, this week we are cooking with HelloFresh, and if you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. We use HelloFresh meal delivery service from time to time because I don't know about you guys, but I get in a rut and this helps me out with that, and they have great ideas, these really cute, easy to read recipe cards. Everything comes straight to your door, super easy. We get the classic for two, but they also have vegetarian, which we've done, and they also have family style meals. Each meal comes in these recyclable bags and everything is cold, delivered right to your door. Your meat is separate at the bottom. I absolutely love it. So at first we're starting out with the crispy cheddar Apricot cheeseburgers, and I'm just gonna run through everything I'm doing, kind of just a little cook with me, showing you all the ingredients that come in the bag, and let's get going. So here I'm just showing you what makes, I guess, the Apricot part of the cheeseburger is you make these little rounds of the cheese and you put it in the oven. Mine didn't get quite like as hard. I didn't find it much different than if I would have just put the cheese on the burger, which it says you can do as well. You don't actually have to do this step. So I thought it was interesting, but I'm not sure I would do this part necessarily again. So here I'm just forming my hamburger patties and I'm getting ready to throw the broccoli in the oven. I absolutely love roasted broccoli, so I always like when that's included as one of the menu items. And just sauteing the onions, getting ready to make the onion jam. So here's what the menu cards actually look like. It gives you the description on the front, always a really pretty picture. Mine don't always look that pretty. Basically tells you what comes in each bag, what you'll need to pull out on your own as far as like any extra ingredients, oils, baking sheet, and then just gives you step-by-step how to. So this is our finished product here. I've had their burgers before and they're always a really good flavor profile. I find that to be the case with all the HelloFresh meals. I really like the unique ingredients or sauces, or like in this case, that onion jam. It really made the burger good. And again, can't say enough about their burgers. So for tonight, we are having the Fun Day fajita bar, and as many of you will remember from one of my previous HelloFresh videos, we had, it was a chicken fajita. I don't remember the exact name of it before. They were awesome, and we've tried to recreate them because they're seriously one of the best I've ever had, and I talk about them all the time. So if you guys ever do HelloFresh, make sure you pick a week when one of their fajitas is on there. This week it was with pork, so I was definitely interested in seeing how this compared to the other one. But this was really good. It was just as good as the chicken fajitas that we had had before. Again, the flavors were great. It's missing a little bit of color of green because I don't do cilantro. And last, we are making amazing apricot chicken with fingerling potatoes and green beans. I absolutely love fingerling potatoes, and especially when they're roasted in the oven with olive oil like this. So this was one I was really looking forward to. So I'm just getting the apricot jam ready here, and you can see it's the shallots, and you put the little jar of jam and the vinegar and the thyme in it. I just love, again, their flavor profiles because it's actually really easy. These meals take like 30 minutes, but yet the flavors are complex. This was really, really good. Mine seemed to have a little bit more sauce in the picture show, but I thought that was great because then you had a little extra for the potatoes. So if you would like to get $30 off your first week of deliveries, visit HelloFresh.com and enter the code MissCrystal30. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you in the next video.